Hello, madam. I want you to look and see. Hello, Jamaica. It's just prank. Me and my stepdaughter prank, you know. So I don't feel no way, you know. Just listen how we deal with one another. So hello, my dear stepdaughter. I want you to look to see now what I'm having for my Sunday dinner, which is today, Sunday, April 20. How much? Look on your phone and tell me I 20 how much I do. Today I 20 how much, because I want to send the video here fully to my stepdaughter, because we are pranking. You know. Anything we hit, we are share to the one another.
Yeah, 25 no?
Look on it good. Alright, them say Sunday 25th. So you see that? I'm a soursop juice. Thumbs up there, so. See? My stepdaughter, listen me carefully. You see me I go across here, so? My beautiful rice and peas. My stepdaughter ain't not done yet. You want to see over here, so now? Look over here, so. Look for my cauliflower. Look for it out bossy. And my broccoli, my string bean, and my carrot. You see, next show me I go show you. You're going surprise. Look. See the beef there? Look how the beef pretty. Eh? Look there. I see me father there, you know? But through me a man no use knife. I just through me a prank, me no want no knife. I just joke up and eat, and that me the pan. So stepdaughter, the prank begin now. The show is on. Okay? So listen. Watch that video here. Feel happy. Feel good with all what go on. Lovely soursop juice. April 2001. 2021. Yeah. So you know say April 25th, 2021. Sorry for my mistake. But a prank we a prank, you know. So anything will come up tonight. So if you hear a tongue slip in a slide, that means nothing wrong. Just watch the video. Watch how the prank goes. The prank serious. We serious. Tommy, the prank is on. Looking at me dish. The pirate dish. Look there, Tommy. I mean I give 3 of them in one, you know. Look there. All in one. Right? 3 in 1. Tommy.
Take down that sound.